Mersin, a sun-soaked stretch of Mediterranean coastline, where Anatolia dips its toes into the sea. With 321 kilometers of shining coast, it's where the Taurus Mountains meet an ancient shore. A place of empires, legends, and lemon trees, where faiths took root and nature still writes poetry. These 13 districts were once ruled by the Hittites, Persians, Macedonians, Romans, and Ottomans. Power changed hands, but the beauty and mystery remained. From deep underground to sea breezes that whisper old tales, this is a land of Türkiye's oldest settlements and some of its best-kept secrets. And just offshore floats something magical in the horizon. This is one of 25 castles that are sprinkled all over the mountains, valleys, and shores of Mersin. "600 meters from the shore, the Maiden's Castle rises from the sea like a fairy tale etched in stone. Built in 1199 by King Leon I, these walls have seen crusaders and pirates walk across them. Local legends say a king built this island fortress to protect his daughter from a prophecy. But destiny is tricky. A snake, hidden in a basket of grapes, sealed her fate. Directly across is the Korikos Castle, its mainland twin, which is on the UNESCO World Heritage Tentative List. Together, they once guarded this harbor from invaders, like a pair of stone sentinels. Further east in Anamur, Mamure Castle stretches nearly 500 meters along the coast. With 39 towers rising against the sea breeze, it's one of Türkiye's most magnificent and best preserved strongholds, and also on the World Heritage Tentative List. And it's just one of more than 25 castles scattered across Mersin's mountains, valleys, and shores. Each one steeped in history, tells a story of strategy, strength, and survival. With warm, crystal-clear waters and the castle just beyond the waves, Kızkalesi Beach is truly one of Türkiye's most unforgettable coastal treasures. Mersin's beaches, peaceful, locally loved, totally dreamlike. From Anamur to Silifke, they're some of the best-kept secrets of the Mediterranean. These same shores were once sailed by Roman galleys and crusader ships. Today, it's a paradise for swimmers, divers, and dreamers. From the sea to the highlands, Mersin is a treasure trove of ancient cities. Welcome to Yumuktepe, an archaeological layer cake with 33 layers of civilization. Here, life began over 8,000 years ago. Wheat was grown, bread was baked, olives were pressed. This may be one of the very first places humans farmed the earth. The Mersin Archaeological Museum is one of 9 museums in Mersin. This region is overflowing with cultural and historical richness. This is the Heaven's Pit, or Cennet Pit. This is a 70-foot drop into a sinkhole with something very sacred at the bottom. Right now we are inside of the Church of Virgin Mary. This church has been standing here since the 5th century. Humble and proud. This is the Hell Pit, or the Jahannam Pit. It's a 120-meter drop directly vertically down. It is dark, forbidden, and mesmerizing. Not far from the pits, another treasure lies underground. In the nearby Narlıkuyu Mosaic Museum, an ancient Roman bathhouse preserves a masterpiece. 3 goddesses, the Graces, frozen mid-dance in stone. Tucked deep into the canyons of Mut, Yerköprü Waterfall is one of Mersin's most breathtaking hidden gems. The name means earth bridge, and here, spring water from a 110-million-year-old limestone formation spills into the Ermenek Creek, forming a natural stone arch above the flow. Surrounded by fig and pomegranate trees, this is not just a waterfall. This is a sanctuary, a little piece of heaven in the Mersin wild. It is a place where the land tells its own story, not in words, but through the rhythm of falling water and the stillness of bright green trees. Astım Cave, called the Wish Cave by locals, because they believe that if you make a wish inside and it echoes, it will come true. And they swear that its humid air has healing powers. In the summers, it's an 85% humidity, and in the winters, nearly 95% or more. It's not just a cave, it's therapy. From the quiet depths of the earth toward the sunlight are the stories that are carved in stone. Mersin's ancient cities tell the stories of its past. Kanlı Divane, a sacred city built around a sinkhole, once echoed with early Christian prayers. Its acoustics still carry music during the annual festival. And high above Şeytan Deresi, the rock carvings of Adam Kayaları stand watch. Nobles, warriors, a Roman eagle and mountain goat accompanying 17 figures frozen in time. Uzuncaburç rises like a lost city in the sky. Temples to Zeus and Tai Chi, columns, gates, still majestic. Tarsus, where saints, prophets, and queens all walked, sacred to 3 major religions. This is St. Paul's Well. It still flows today, and pilgrims from around the world come here to honor the apostle who was born and raised in Tarsus. Above the town, nestled into the hills, lies the Cave of the 7 Sleepers. a site wrapped in legend and faith. According to both Christian and Islamic tradition, 7 young believers sought refuge here during a time of religious persecution. They fell asleep inside the cave and miraculously awoke 300 years later in a world transformed, where faith was no longer forbidden. Their story became a powerful symbol of endurance, resurrection, and divine protection. Today, the cave remains a sacred site for visitors of all backgrounds who are drawn to its mystery and message. Mersin's flavors are as bold as its history: citrus, fig, olives, pomegranate, and the cuisine that brings people together. You have to try tantuni, grilled ciğer shish, batruk salad, sıkma flatbread, and desserts? Künefe, kerebiç, cezerye, and an icy bowl of karsambaç. The Göksu Delta flourishes, with over 211 bird species, nestling turtles, and whispering reeds. This isn't just nature, it's life in motion, only in Türkiye.